The 7 most popular Christmas trees for 2024. Looking for the perfect Christmas tree? Whether you prefer the fresh-cut aroma or an eco-friendly artificial option, the top trees of 2024 have something for everyone. Here are the 7 trending choices this season. Fraser Fir, classic, long-lasting, perfect for heavy ornaments. Balsam Fir, fills your home with a festive, piney scent. Noble Fir, durable with a bluish-green hue. Snow-covered artificial, winter wonderland vibe without the mess. Scotch Pine, dense, full, and stays fresh. Blue Spruce, bold blue tint for a unique look. Pre-lit LED artificial, energy-saving convenience. Choose the tree that best complements your holiday style.